Hi, a must have rasam during rainy season and winter season. Every home has their own unique blend of ingredients and steps that they follow to make their favorite rasam. This is the traditional and one of the favorite recipe in my home. It has a secret ingredient included for extra benefits. So let's see the recipe. I have taken a small gooseberry sized tamarind ball which is washed already and kept in a bowl. To this I am adding 1 cup of water. With the help of a spoon or with your clean hands, you can break it down into smaller parts and keep it aside for 15 minutes to soak. In the meantime, I will show you the beautiful weather outside. Don't you feel like having a steaming hot rasam by seeing the weather? Let's make it. I have taken 5 shallots, 15 to 20 garlic pods, a small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, quarter teaspoon of coriander seeds. Now half grind all these ingredients. Whenever I get a chance, I just love using grinding stone or any traditional methods for that matter. It reminds many childhood memories, especially with grandmother. I still remember the aroma of the mixture which spreads all over the house and gives a divine feeling. Now no worries if you don't have a grinding stone, get ahead, put all the ingredients into the small mixer jar and pulse for 2 to 3 times to get half ground mixture. Collect all these half ground mixture into a plate and keep aside. Heat a deep cooking pot to medium heat. Pour 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Once it is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 dry red chili and a sprig of curry leaves. Reduce the heat to low. Squeeze the tamarind with your clean hand and pour the extract with the help of a strainer. Put the pulp back into the bowl and add 4 cups of water. Pour again through a strainer to the cooking pot and increase the heat to medium. If you need less tanginess, avoid adding water to the pulp again. Instead, pour 4 cups of water directly to the cooking pot. Add the half ground mixture. Two medium-sized ripe tomatoes cut into half. You can use country tomatoes if you have. Add each halves by crushing it by hand. Choose well-ripened tomatoes which are easy to crush and which gives a good taste too. Next is the secret ingredient. These are Indian borage leaves or panikurka. I would say it is a miracle leaf, specially used for cold, cough and fever. Rasam itself has number of health benefits if you're prone to cold, cough and fever. So if you add few leaves of Indian borage or panikurka, it adds extra benefits to the normal rasam. Squeeze and crush 5 to 6 washed Indian borage leaves. If you don't get these leaves, you can still make this rasam, but make sure you plant one in your garden at the earliest. Add 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Add a small piece of jaggery to balance the tanginess and to enhance the taste. Stir everything nicely and let it come to boil. Add the stems of the coriander leaves, which is full of flavor and juiciness. Reserve the coriander leaves for using towards the end of the cooking. 1/8 teaspoon of fenugreek powder. You can add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds along with the mustard seeds in oil, which I forgot to use initially. Let it boil for good 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check the taste. Adjust the salt and jaggery accordingly. If the tanginess is more, you can always add half to 1 cup of water and simmer for another 2 minutes. Finally, add coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Rasam is ready to serve. Serve it with hot rice and papad. You can even drink it in your favorite glass you prefer or in a bowl with a spoon and name it as the Great Indian Soup. Enjoy!